Hello everyone. Okay, so I wasn't planning to film this vlog, but I was opening up all of my PR packages, right? And I saw this in the mail and it was like express shipped to me by Google. So I thought that there was maybe some sort of importance to it. So maybe we would open it. Custom for me? This season, versatility is in. Are you in? I guess we have to go to the Google workshop in LA to figure it out. This is actually super cool. Oh my gosh, wow. And also thank you to Google for sponsoring this video. Okay guys, tell me why I literally got here at 6 a.m. I don't know what's going on. They literally just, literally English? Do you have better vocabulary? And look at this. This room has my name on it. I took a caffeine gummy. Like I literally ate a caffeine gummy because it was too early and I like needed to make sure my personality was slaying, you know? But we just finished up with hair and makeup. So that is the reason why I'm looking like the way I'm looking. Trust me, did not roll out of bed looking like this. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm nervous. I'm excited. There's like a whole crew here. Like I don't know what to expect, but I'm excited. I literally just ran away for a second before we started. I don't know what we're doing just to talk to you guys because I don't know if you guys can tell in my voice, but I am definitely, I don't know what's going on. I mean, I guess we're gonna find out in the next 5 minutes here, but girl, it's a whole event. I haven't seen the set yet. Like they've been setting it up and they've been hiding from me. They've been scheming. So we're gonna react to this together. I'm gonna be nervous though. So like if my voice is shaking or I seem anxious or not like myself, it's literally because like I'm nervous, guys. Okay, so bear with me. The heart. Whoa, wait. Do you guys see this? The aesthetic is definitely giving Google. Oh my gosh, welcome my, wow, made for me. This is my room, I think. Drew Scott. Oh my gosh, this is giving my New York City apartment. Jackie Aina. Oh, hers is giving beauty room, vanity, pink. And then this one is my room right here. Oh, a little peek through. I feel like a kid at like a candy store right now, but their mom won't let them go in. Oh my gosh, hi. I wasn't expecting you. Come in. Wait, this is like custom made, y'all. They just didn't like throw me in a random room. Look at this. It says Sagittarius, because if y'all don't know, I'm a Sagittarius, duh. How awkward would that be if it was like Libra or something and like I'm not a Libra? It says my fam. Oh, and they have the crystals too. Somebody was watching my YouTube video. Oh my gosh, somebody was definitely watching the apartment tour because if y'all know me, y'all know that like I love this aesthetic. I really hope it's like not a reality show moment where like I'm gonna be trapped in here for the next week, but let's find out. See you later. Welcome, Mai. Are you ready for your challenge? I mean, I flew all the way across the country, so I guess I have to be. Let me set y'all up here. Hey, y'all. Okay, are you ready for your challenge? Find an affordable dress for a short trip. Ooh, y'all already know, I just got the passport. I'm a Sagittarius, I love to travel. This is definitely custom made and unique for me. And style it 5 different ways. You guys already know that I love to wear the same thing over and over again, i.e. this hoodie. Literally, that's all I wore this December. So I think that I can make one thing work a bunch of different ways. I think, but we're definitely gonna have to see. Guess I'm supposed to use this phone that they have here for me in front of it. I mean, that's what I'm assuming. So let's do it. Nami almost dropping it. Okay, so I'm thinking that we're gonna go for something simple, like a black dress, because I feel like you can like dress that up, but then also dress that down. Fun fact about shopping with Google, bet you didn't know this one. If you put shop in front of anything that you wanna shop for, it will come up, not like the regular Google search, it'll come up with like everything, but like in a shopping form, you know what I mean? You can like pick what material you want, what silhouette you want, you know, the price point. You can also filter the store that you want to do, and I think we're gonna go with Macy's because they're the OG, you know what I mean? I like this one. I like the length. It's giving simple, classic. You do this, it just shows you the full total. I feel like you can dress this one up or down, you know what I mean? Like make it like a going out outfit, but like also cash. This one's nice, but it's kind of too high of a neck. I have a short torso, which means I have a short neck, so anything that's a high neck doesn't look cute. So I think we're gonna go here, and you can use the filter option and pick like the different lengths, the size type, whether you're plus or petite/short. You filter that all right here, all in one spot. Oh, okay. See, look at that. It's giving options. I like this one. It's very simple, sleek. I like the price as well. And look at the reviews, 4.7 stars. Okay, y'all know that I love my reviews. Literally, didn't I tell you guys when I was shopping that I can't buy anything unless I go online and look at all the reviews before I buy something in store? I feel like we need to do a maxi moment, you know? I'm thinking I like this one with the straps because you could probably like play around with like the way it's crossed over, and it has free shipping. All right, and free 90-day returns. Okay, let's do it. Add it to cart. And boom, wow, movie magic. How did that happen? All right, so this is what the dress looks like. I got this one from Macy's. I think that this is a good base. We could definitely dress it up, dress it down. But I think the reason why I like the dress the most is the straps, like how versatile it is. Tuck the straps in, right? And boom, you have like a little nice tube top moment. Maybe we can do some heels. You know, it's spring. We're gonna do like a little pop of color. Let's try this blue on. Transition shot, 3, 2, 1. Wow, all right, this is what the heels are looking like. I feel like it's nice and simple, adds a little pop of color at the toe since this is a maxi dress. I'm looking at the belts right now and I see that there's like this blue one. Maybe it could like tie in with the shoes. Maybe we go like this, do a little snatch moment, you know? Okay, this belt is giving snatched. I feel like it just adds like a little bit of a detail. This is the outfit that you wear if nobody in the group chat texted what they're gonna wear and you wanna play it safe because you don't wanna show up like too casual, but you also don't wanna show up like doing too much. Like I think that this is a good one. Next outfit. I'm thinking we do something maybe like a going out outfit. I saw this top. I know you guys think it's crazy. Just trust the process, right? A little accessory moment and then a nice little heel. Okay, so this is outfit number 2. Imagine you're in Spain and you're going on a night out. We have, you know, the heels that adds a little bit of height. I just added this gold belt for a little pop of pizzazz. And then we have this crazy top. I know you were looking at it and you were like, girl, put that away. But it looks good, that little off-the-shoulder moment, just layered the necklaces a little bit more. And then we have this crazy bag, it just ties everything all together, added a little bit of chunkier hoops. I actually really like this fit. And do you see how we use the straps, put them down, and all of a sudden, boom, they're gone. Outfit number 2, complete. So I'm thinking we do like a little beach day outfit. This has like the stripes, a nice little cover up, this hat. The heels are definitely putting in the work, y'all. This bag, isn't this matchy-matchy? Boom, all of a sudden, we're at the beach. Just kidding, I'm gonna stop because I know everyone's like, girl, it's so annoying. This is outfit number 3. Now watch, let me add this hat. All of a sudden, we have transported to Mykonos. I had like the little pearl earrings, this little bag that matches the shoes. Isn't this just giving beach vacation right now? I can already hear the waves just crashing in my ear. Outfit number 3, complete. This is nice, it's giving like sophisticated. For the bag, we have these nude heels, so I'm just thinking it ties in. All right, this is outfit number 4. This is giving the sun has set. It's a little bit darker out now, but all of a sudden it's cold. You don't know what to do. You still have so many things to see. Don't worry, I got you. Outfit number 4, complete. Okay, so this is outfit number 5. I think that this is just super casual. Like, I feel like this is an everyday outfit that you can wear. You know, like a little white t-shirt moment, and you can add any jacket to this. You could also tie this, you know, and make it a little cropped moment. Literally do whatever you want. I feel like a white t-shirt is always so good. And then at night, you could throw on a jacket. Let's say it's getting a little bit cold. All of a sudden, it's a little bit more sophisticated. This could be a date night outfit, walking around the city, especially because the heels aren't too heavy. I really like it, and it's just super neutral. I think that this outfit can go with any location, any time, any climate, especially just because it's so versatile. You can take the t-shirt off. Outfit number 5. And I'm sorry, but my favorite look out of them all is the airport fit. You always gotta pull up to the airport comfy, but still looking good, you know what I mean? Ooh, we got the sunglasses, the suitcase with the sneakers. But listen, this dress, still flowy, versatile. You're comfy, you're napping on the plane. You're not constricted, you know what I mean? A black dress is all you need because you can style it so many different ways. Comfy, cozy, and ready for my trip. Challenge complete. I knew we had it in the bag anyways. This was so crazy, like this whole set. I can't believe there was all the dresses in there. So I just wanna thank you guys for watching this video because without you, we definitely would not be doing this right now. And I also just wanna thank Google and a shout out to Macy's for setting this whole setup. Seriously, it felt like a movie. So I cannot wait to wear this dress on my next trip, but I will see you guys there. Vámonos! Bye!